this week's Lowe's family adventure, the girls attended a Lowe's Kids Club workshop where they learned how to build the cutest washing machine piggy bank. They were geared up with safety goggles, hammers, and aprons and followed step-by-step instructions to bring their projects to life.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
My husband was able to attend the workshop with them, and the girls had an absolute blast, learning, building, and creating together.
No holes, nothing. There you go.
Put your nails in just like this. What's the method?
I don't think so. Where's the...
Good news! Lowe's Kids Club is hosting another workshop next month. Registration is required, so be sure to check your local Lowe's store for more details.
There you go.
Don't miss out on this fun, hands-on experience for the kids. Check out the final product. How cute is it?